Welcome to Hiksund Dragon here, be dragons. So, what goodies do we have today? Let's find out.
What up, fam? Alright, so when you zoom in on stars at night, it looks like they're in some sort of liquid-like medium. Bible also backs this up. God separated the waters above from the waters below. Here I did an experiment with water using the sun and a backdrop. Look at the similarities.
What do you think, Bird? I know. You're dumb. You're dumb. Say that again. That's a funny bird. Okay, so, yes. He believes that space is full of water. Well, if it was full of water, it wouldn't ripple like that to begin with, since it only ripples at the top of the surface. Yes, but I have a question here. Yep, even the bird got so disappointed with this. Are these people walking around at the bottom of the ocean or at the bottom of a lake? Are these mermaids and mermen? Oh my god, I think we found mermaids. Right, bird? Right? Yep. We found mermaids. Holy shit. Oh dear. The idiocy of people. So, let's explain this. Because, when you have an atmosphere, which is basically a fluid, it operates like a fluid. So, the difference between water and our atmosphere, there isn't that big of a difference when it comes down to the way light travels through it and stuff. So, as we should all know, when things get hot, they get hot because they get excited and they start jiggling and jiving and bouncing around, which means the other areas, the other pieces, the other molecules need more space so they can also get up there and jiggle and jive and stuff. And that makes the whole thing expand outwards and it becomes less dense. Now, when you take heat away from an object, they all start getting cold. Oh boy. And they kind of, get all tight in there and they all get close together, making it very dense. So when light travels through a very dense fluid, it behaves differently. It slows down. It reflects at different angles compared to a less dense medium. So which is one that's hotter. Now, in a scenario like this, you have the hot bottom, the road, heating up the air, causing it to rise up, and then it gets cold and it comes back down. So you have a mixture of dense and undense, or less dense material, just intermixing with each other, causing ripples, or what we call a mirage. Now, the exact same thing happens in the sky. Hence, why when you're looking through a telescope, you see stuff like this. This is why you see what look like water ripples on the moon. It's not from water, it's from our atmosphere rippling around, mixing up and stuff, hot and cold. That's how it works. It's not that hard to understand. Unless you're a flat earther or you believe that space is just full of water. Now, we have ways of getting around this. So when there are like large telescopes, if you see them, you'll see like a laser beam that shoots out. And that laser beam basically measures the amount of turbulence in the atmosphere and then can correct for it, which gives us really good views. And this is why we use space telescopes a lot, because there is no atmosphere turbulence in space. But this is something we've gotten around for a very long time. Anyways, have a great day.